Hello, adventurous families! Today, we're diving into the world of traveling with kids. Picture this, you're on a journey, filled with laughter, shared discoveries, and a sprinkle of challenges. It's all part of the adventure, isn't it? Whether you're embarking on your first family trip or you're well-seasoned globetrotters, we're here to guide you towards a smoother, stress-free vacation. We're talking tips, tricks, and insights to make those family vacations memorable for all the right reasons. Traveling with kids is a journey filled with unexpected adventures, laughter, and a few challenges. It's akin to embarking on a grand expedition where the path is as memorable as the destination. Now, you might be wondering, how do we navigate this journey? The key lies in striking a harmonious balance between meticulous planning and the thrill of spontaneity. Traveling with young ones is not always predictable, and that's part of the fun. It's about embracing the unexpected and turning a delayed flight or a rainy day into an opportunity for a new adventure. Perhaps it's a chance to explore the airport, play an impromptu game, or share stories. Let's be real, there will be moments of exhaustion, but remember, these are often followed by moments of pure joy and laughter. So, buckle up for this exciting journey. Today, we'll share what to realistically expect and how to turn potential obstacles into opportunities for fun. Start with choosing kid-friendly destinations. When planning a trip with your kids, it's important to consider destinations that offer a variety of activities suitable for all ages. Look for places that offer a mix of adventure, education, and relaxation. Whether it's exploring a new city's landmarks, visiting a zoo or aquarium, or simply spending a day at the beach, choosing the right destination can make your trip more enjoyable for everyone. Next, consider the timing of your flights. While it might be tempting to book the cheapest flight, remember that traveling with kids can be a whole different ballgame. Consider flights that align with your children's routine. Early morning or late night flights might be cheaper, but will they coincide with your child's sleep schedule? Will there be enough time for meals? Plan your flights around your kids' needs to ensure a smoother journey. Lastly, accommodations are key. Not all hotels or rentals are created equal when it comes to welcoming little ones. Look for accommodations that offer amenities like cribs, kitchenettes, or even a play area. Some places may offer babysitting services, which can give you a much-needed break. Consider the location as well. Is it close to the attractions you want to visit? Are there restaurants nearby that cater to kids? Then dive into booking flights at kid-friendly times and selecting accommodations that welcome little ones with open arms. Remember, a little planning can go a long way in ensuring your family vacation is a memorable one. Packing can be a game changer. It's not just about filling a suitcase, it's about preparing for the adventure that lies ahead. The key to efficient packing is to think about what you'll need most. This starts with essentials like clothing and toiletries, of course, but extends to items that will help keep your little ones entertained and comfortable. Consider packing favorite snacks to avoid hunger-induced meltdowns, and remember to include a few familiar toys or books to provide a sense of home. Don't forget practical items like wet wipes, hand sanitizer, and a first aid kit for those little emergencies. And here's a pro tip. Try using packing cubes or Ziploc bags to organize items by category or by day. It'll make finding what you need a breeze and can save you precious time on the go. Remember, less is often more when you're on the move. The journey itself can be an adventure. Indeed, whether you're soaring through the skies or cruising down the highway, the travel portion of your trip is a golden opportunity for fun and bonding. To keep your little ones engaged, consider bringing along a variety of travel games. These can range from classic I Spy to more sophisticated, age-appropriate apps that not only entertain, but also educate. Audiobooks are another great option, offering hours of immersive storytelling that can make the time fly by. Now, what about those pesky "are we there yet" questions? Well, there's a trick to handling those. Try turning it into a game. Encourage your kids to guess the distance or time left based on landmarks or the clock. It can be a fun way to teach them about estimation and time management. And remember, patience is key. So let's handle those inevitable "are we there yet" questions with ease. Choosing the right place to stay is crucial. When you're traveling with children, the dynamics of accommodation selection change significantly. It's not just about a picturesque view or proximity to tourist attractions. No, it's about finding a place that caters to the needs and comfort of your little ones. Look for family-friendly accommodations. These are places that understand the unique needs of families, offering amenities like cribs, high chairs, and even babysitting services. Some even have special activities for kids to keep them entertained while you catch a breather. But it's not just about what the accommodation offers, it's also about how you use it. Try to create a familiar and comfortable space for your children. Maybe bring along their favorite blanket or a cherished bedtime storybook. The goal is to replicate the feeling of home, to maintain a sense of routine amidst the excitement of travel. And how to make your hotel room or rental feel like a home away from home. It's these little touches that can make a world of difference in your family's travel experience. Creating an itinerary that's flexible yet exciting for kids can make your trip unforgettable. When you're crafting your travel plans, consider striking a balance that caters to everyone's interests. It's not just about ticking off the must-see sites, it's about making memories and enjoying the journey together. Think about incorporating a mix of activities. Sightseeing can be thrilling, but don't forget to schedule in some downtime for relaxation. Kids need time to unwind, and so do you. And while you're exploring new places, why not sneak in a little education too? Museums, historical landmarks, or even a cooking class can be fun and enriching experiences. Remember, flexibility is key. Be ready to switch things up based on your kids' moods, the weather, or unexpected opportunities that might pop up. Traveling as a family is about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about the shared experiences along the way. We'll show you how to balance activities to keep everyone happy. Dining with kids doesn't have to be stressful. In fact, eating out can be a delightful part of the travel experience. It's all about finding the right balance. Opt for restaurants that offer a kids' menu or have options that cater to diverse palates. This way, you can be sure the little ones will find something they love. But let's not forget about snacks. They are a lifesaver during those hangry moments or when the next meal is still a few hours away. Pack a variety of snacks that are both nutritious and appealing to your kids. Think fruit, granola bars, or even their favorite crackers. Remember, it's also okay to indulge a little. After all, you're on vacation. So, whether it's an ice cream after a day of sightseeing or a local dessert, let them enjoy these special treats. With a bit of planning and flexibility, we'll help you navigate mealtime smoothly. Keeping your kids safe and healthy is paramount. It's not just about the fun and the adventure. It's also about ensuring their well-being throughout the journey. Travel insurance is a great place to start. It provides a safety net for unexpected situations, from lost luggage to medical emergencies. Now, let's talk about first aid kits. A basic kit should include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary prescription medicines. Don't forget those sunblocks and bug repellents too. They can be real lifesavers when you're exploring the great outdoors. Staying hydrated is another key aspect of health, especially when traveling to different climates. Always have a water bottle handy for each member of the family. Remember, kids might not always tell you when they're thirsty, so regular water breaks are a must. In the end, it's all about being prepared, ensuring you're prepared for anything. That's the mantra for a safe and healthy family adventure. Traveling with kids is about creating unforgettable memories together. We've journeyed through the world of family travel today, setting realistic expectations, planning kid-friendly trips, and packing efficiently. We've shared tips for keeping the journey exciting, choosing comfortable accommodations, and creating a flexible yet thrilling itinerary. We've also navigated the world of dining out with kids and ensuring their safety and health while on the go. But remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Embrace the spontaneous detours, the unexpected laughter, and the challenges that morph into cherished memories. Because, at the end of the day, family travel is about more than just seeing new places. It's about experiencing the world together, growing as a family, and creating stories that will be told for generations to come. Safe travels, and don't forget to capture those moments.